college life was like, I would say, the best thing that I can actually remember when I look back in my life, because NIT Durgapur was like the ground where I see amazing talent around me, and essentially it was the turning point for me because I was able to like plug myself into the I would say the then smartest people, at least, uh, and it was not just the I would say the branch in which I am in. It was the essentially, I would say, the ecosystem around me, because it was not just the college, the curriculum in which we were part of, but it was essentially the other groups. Like I was also the part of Linux user group. I hope like it is still running.
Yeah, it's
So so I was part of that, and I was few more Mukti as well. So those exposure also in those time essentially helps you to not just pay attention to your education, but you also get to learn a lot of things which are essential to your life in future. You get to appreciate all these things when you look back. Okay, because I did this in my college, and that is the reason that I'm able to do this thing today in my life much better way. I would be very honest, like today, the entry to try out your idea, or I would say, today you can actually start and try your idea with very little capital. Essentially,
Yeah.
it's in thousands. It's in just few $100s, I would say. You just require, let's say, one server on Amazon, EC2 machine. T2 Micro will be good enough. For the first year, they give you for free, and then there are enough student, let's say, packages that these company runs. Azure can give you, Google can give you, right? What I really want to tell you, like from this podium, is this: guys, try out your ideas as soon as possible, and whenever you do that, you never want to make this idea successful, but you want to learn the process. Because it's not like, let's say you wanted to learn today. Let's say if you do not know bicycle, you are trying in your mind that I will learn to ride my bicycle within first attempt. We all know that it's not gonna happen, right? We all know, like, okay, we are gonna fall left and right a couple of times, but I think I should know the process. I should trust the process. Within the fifth or sixth iteration, I'll be able to balance it out, right? First, the goal is to balance it, and then maybe we'll see how the pedaling works. It was not depression. I would not call it depression, because depression is related to a very specific mental health related issue. But yeah, I would say, like, lot of a lot of time actually. We had 2 months salaries to give, like almost. I think we ran out of money. So during pandemic, and when pandemic started, I made a promise from myself, like I will not let my team go down just because, let's say, there is this pandemic. Because generally, no matter what, if you have started a business, all these risks are yours. Either it's a geographical risk, or it's a some pandemic risk. It's you as a business. That's your risk. It's not the risk that you want to share with your whole team. Even though we all took a very small percentage cut in our salaries, but how do you maintain a situation when you do not have even a money in the bank? Like, so what you do? So the first time in my, like, the journey, I felt like, okay, the ship is about to, now the ship has a hole in the bottom. How do you secure it? First would be, like, you should be able to develop the habit of unlearning. Unlearning will immediately make you curious enough to learn more about any new thing, right? Let's say when you go out and want to learn how to drive a car, you should just be very, very, like, empty in your mind. Do not bring your scooter learning, cycle learning into the car learning, right? Because these all paradigm to learn is different. So every area of life will require a different you as a student to learn that aspect, right? Maintain consistency, that is second, because this maintaining the consistency will actually become a second nature of yourself, and then no matter where you will be, you will always be recognized for just one reason, that this guy is consistent.